It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite, 10 keto foods to always have handy. To help you stick to your goals, you should always keep some safe foods on hand when you need something really quick. One of the biggest problems people have getting knocked out of ketosis is eating the wrong thing when you're desperate. If you get in the habit of keeping these foods in your fridge, you won't end up grabbing something that will set you back. Every extra step you put in front of yourself is a step you can trip over. Take the time to prepare ahead of time. It will pay off big. Here they are. Number 1, bacon. I hear somewhere that people really like bacon. In addition to eating it as part of your meal, you can add it to all kinds of dishes to spice up the flavors. You can also keep the grease to add to other cooked foods. Let's face it, everything's better with bacon. Chopped veggies. Get all the washing, slicing, chopping done ahead of time. The thought of all the prep that veggies take can be a mental block when you go to make a meal. If they're all done, it lets you be creative in the moment instead of just feeling dread about the whole process. Cauliflower, onion, bell pepper, celery, broccoli. Keep it in containers ready to grab. It makes for easy snacking and to make snacks as the kids run out the door also. Number 3, leafy green vegetables. Spring mix, spinach. Get the pre-washed ones so you can grab and go. They go great in a smoothie. Chard is awesome, steamed or sautéed with butter. Number 4, eggs. Use them as snacks, in baking, or for breakfast. They can be made fast and easy if you are in need. You can keep some already boiled for super fast snacks. They are a complete protein. You'll probably find that you use them more if they are already prepped. Number 5, blueberries. These are one of the few fruits that work with keto. They go great added with dessert, and they also make great smoothies. Don't wash them ahead of time because they may get moldy. Do have an easy system to wash the ones you're going to eat. Have a small strainer or colander handy. Number 6, pre-cooked protein. Ground meat works and can be thrown into tacos. Grilled chicken strips can be used in many dishes, including throwing it on top of a salad. You can add it to a quick veggie stir fry with the veggies you made earlier. Avocado, it's a big one. 3/4 of the content of avocado is fat. It's a perfect grab snack as well as making it the center of the dish. You can add them to smoothies or guacamole, of course. You can put the fried egg in the scooped out spot. Store them in the fridge. They can even be frozen if you scoop them out of the shell first. These last 3 are only if you're not allergic to dairy. Number 8, cream cheese and regular cheese. Good for recipes. Cream cheese can be a spread, or you can just grab a piece of cheese for a quick snack. Number 9, nut milks. Macadamia milk has a nice high fat content. 10, grass-fed butter. Filled with CLAs, fatty acid, good for bone health. Heavy whipping cream. You can make sauces, use it in recipes, and do whipped cream with berries as a dessert. And that's today's tip. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.